In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate LinkedIn ads with HubSpot, sync your leads, and ensure everything is flowing smoothly. This complete walkthrough for 2025 will help you streamline your B2B marketing and sales operations effectively. Let's dive in and make sure you have everything set up properly. First off, you want to start by connecting LinkedIn ads to your HubSpot account. So let's jump into your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, look for the settings icon, which is typically found right up there in the top navigation bar. Got it? Great. Click on that, and this will direct you to the settings area where you'll be able to manage all sorts of functionalities. From the options presented in the left sidebar, navigate your way down to Marketing, and then click on Ads. This section is your main hub for managing advertising integrations within HubSpot. Once you've landed on the Ads dashboard, glance towards the top right corner. There, you should see a button labeled Connect Account. Go ahead and click on it. You will be prompted with a selection of different ad network options, and for our purpose today, you'll need to choose LinkedIn. Selecting LinkedIn will activate a pop-up window, so don't be surprised to see one appear. Here, you'll need to log into your LinkedIn account if you aren't already logged in. Enter your credentials carefully, and LinkedIn will likely ask for permission to access certain information to facilitate this connection. Review the permissions, and when you're comfortable, click Allow to proceed. You're doing great. Now, another step here, you'll be presented with a list of LinkedIn ads accounts that you have access to. Select the specific account or accounts that you wish to connect with HubSpot. A crucial tip here is to ensure that you toggle the auto-tracking option to On. By doing so, HubSpot will automatically apply its tracking to your LinkedIn campaigns. This means you'll have better insights and tracking capabilities automatically synced without any extra manual effort. With all selections made, you can now confidently click Connect. This action binds LinkedIn ads with your HubSpot account, syncing your settings and readying everything for seamless lead flow. For those wondering why this is necessary, the automatic sync helps ensure that every lead gathered from your LinkedIn campaigns flows into HubSpot, creating a streamlined pipeline that benefits your marketing and sales teams. Once connected, I'd recommend that you take some time to explore the settings and ensure everything is customized to your liking. This will pave the way for you to effectively manage your campaigns and align them with your overall strategy. There you have it. You've successfully connected LinkedIn ads to HubSpot, and you're off to a solid start on your B2B marketing journey. Stay tuned for further videos where we'll explore more advanced integrations and strategies. Thanks for watching.